boat. Oh, look at that.
That's a Porsche.
That is amazing.
Hey guys, welcome back to the AutoAmateur Garage. I'm James and this is Pat.
Hey everyone.
This is another Project 996 video. It's been a long time in the making. For those of you who've been following so far, thank you so much for your patience, but here it is. Hey guys, we are coming live from Addo's Auto Body in Bloomington, Minneapolis. Project 996 car is here.
Hi, my name is Ado Peltrin. I'm the owner of Ado's Auto Body Collision Center here in Bloomington. We are very excited to have James' car project here, the Porsche 911. What we're gonna do is we're gonna do a complete change color on the car. It's a silver car. We're gonna turn it into a blue. First thing what we're gonna do, we're gonna disassemble the car just to get into those areas that it's hard to get with the car assembled. Then we're gonna start doing the transformation on the color to blue. We're gonna correct some hail damage and some little door dings that the car has on it, and then we're gonna start the process with sealing it and painting it and clear coating it, and it will be a very nice project. Thanks, James, to bring your car to Ado's Auto Body.
Here it is, you guys. So Pat, you like it?
It's
You're
blue.
happy?
It's blue. I'm happy.
I'm so happy with it. It looks so great. So this has been a long time coming. We're still not there. I mean,
No.
We're almost there, but we're still not there. We had planned to get it ready by Labor Day. Labor Day came and went. Our next milestone was then Thanksgiving.
Yeah.
We're a week away from Thanksgiving.
Yeah.
It's probably not going to be Thanksgiving, but we are hoping just another couple of weeks and we're done. So let's talk about what we're going to do next. I mean, first off, unfortunately, it's come back with a pretty dead battery. So we're not going to be firing it up today beyond the other footage that we just shot when we picked it up. We're going to fire it in. We're going to get the trickle charger on it and see if we can save this battery. We need to put the emblem on.
Yep.
What else are we doing, Pat?
We got decals on the side. We're going to put
Yep.
the Carrera script on the side. And then we got the rear deck lid decals. We have some engine mounts that we're going to work with and put in.
That's right.
We have an oil sensor that we're replacing.
Yeah, or the oil pressure sensor.
I'm sorry, oil pressure
Yeah,
sensor.
yeah. We've got to put all the trim back, of course.
All the trim
so the
back
molding here. Oh, the heat shielding behind the rear bumper.
Yep.
So the rear bumper's on and the front bumper's on, but there is a little bit of plastic and heat shielding over the other side of the garage that we need to put back on. What about the ducktail?
The ducktail looks awesome.
That might be my favorite feature of the car.
Going into it, I wasn't too sure, but now seeing it on here in a blue car versus being a silver car, I think it turned out quite well.
Oh,
I mean,
it just looks so good. And it's so much better than that other guy in our group.
What's his name again?
I don't even remember, but he's got a blue 997.
Dan.
And Tim? I don't know.
Nick?
Nitwit?
Nitwit?
Noah.
Noah!
Noah, our friend Noah actually has a blue 997 C4S, and he put a ducktail on while we were putting the ducktail on this. He beat us to it. Anyway,
He just basically copied us. He heard us talking about it.
It's just, there's no originality when it comes to that guy.
Exactly.
Yeah, anyway. But this is, I love the ducktail. I think the orange decals that are going to go down the side of the door are going to look really cool and tie in with the brake calipers. I'm also quite hopeful for the orange Porsche lettering that we've got on the back. But now I'm looking at the rear like this. I actually think just like a black Carrera badge would look great.
Kind of like what you have on yours, only in Carrera.
Yeah, plus it would tie in with the black rims.
Yeah.
What do you think, guys? Black Carrera emblem on the back? Maybe?
Keep it understated versus...
Yeah, I don't even want to touch the paint. I feel like I shouldn't touch the paint.
Honestly, it looks like a new car now.
Yeah.
I mean,
and thankfully, the interior is in really good condition. There's a little bit of wear on the driver's bolster, which you get in all 911s.
right.
And so we can recondition that. But the dash is in great condition. The two seats generally are in good condition. The steering wheel looks dope.
There's no scratches and scuffs to the interior that
No.
would say that it dates it any. I mean,
Yeah.
it looks good. It just needs to be refreshed and cleaned up and vacuumed and detailed.
It's just incredible how good the paint looks.
Yeah.
Now the thing is, like, are we going to clean it? Do we dare like try and detail it ourselves?
Honestly, I don't think we need to do much more than just a nice clean wipe down and maybe ceramic coat it.
Yeah.
I mean,
I feel like, so I've got some ceramic coating that we can use. Maybe we get Milan from Pristine Detail down here and see what he can do for us. Oh, the other headlight, we've got a replacement headlight. There's a little bit of damage here on this passenger side. This one is actually being shipped to Romania.
Romania is where it's going.
In Romania, there is a guy on the 996 enthusiast page who's looking for a couple of .2 headlights for a project. He doesn't need the lens, he needs the back.
Okay.
So this one is going to Romania. It's amazing, isn't it?
The parts are going everywhere.
This came from Germany, it's in the US, and that's now going to Romania. But I think that's pretty much it. You know, we've got the bodywork done, we've got the paint done. Swapping out that headlight is going to be super easy, and it needs a little bit of reconditioning. Putting on the emblems are going to be easy. The decals, I've tried it once with I screwed mine up on the 997.
It's not that hard. I've done it a couple times on a couple different vehicles. It's just...
You heard it here, folks. Pat is going to be putting on the decals.
So I'm doing all the work again.
Yeah, exactly. You're doing all of the work. Like, I'm here on the video, aren't I, this time?
Yeah, you are.
Well, that's pretty exciting.
So that's it. Talent somewhere.
Yeah, exactly. You got to have a talent, and mine is just looking around and gawping at stuff. Well, guys, just a short video today. We wanted to preview the car. I know you guys, again, you know, the people have been asking about this car day in, day out for the past couple of weeks, but every couple of weeks over the past few months. I appreciate your patience, but we're nearly there. Got a couple more jobs, as we talked about, and then we're going to get it on the road. We're going to do some driving. We're going to put it up against the 997 that Pat drives, my 991. That is going to make a fun video.
Yes.
Me, you, and Steve driving around in 3 911s.
That'll be...
With the drone up in the air. That is going to be so much fun. Well, we'd love to know what you think. Tell us what you think about the color. Tell us what you think we could do to finish off the car or might not do. Anybody game for the decals or not? We're sort of full in, but we haven't put them on yet. More content coming soon. What else can we say?
We're ready to have some more fun.
We're ready to have some more fun. Like, subscribe, tell your friends, tell your parents, tell your grandparents. Everyone likes this video, right? I'm sure they do. Anyway, all right, guys, thanks so much. See you in another video soon. Bye.
You guys did such a good job. We love it. Thank you, mate.